What if your next water heater replacement costs thousands more than you expected, and you don't find out until your current one fails? A major change is coming to California, and many homeowners have no idea it's happening. Some gas water heaters could be unavailable in the Bay Area starting 2027. That means if your water heater dies unexpectedly, you may be forced to choose a completely different system than the one you have today. Before you get stuck with an expensive surprise, here's what every California homeowner needs to know. Many California homeowners have heard rumors about a gas water heater ban, but most people don't know what's actually happening when it starts or how much it could cost them. And if you wait until your water heater fails, you may end up paying thousands more than necessary. Today we're breaking down what the new California and Bay Area water heater rules really mean, who is affected, and what smart homeowners should do right now. Let's clear up the biggest misconception first. No, California is not sending inspectors to remove existing gas water heaters from homes. If you already have gas water heater, you can continue to use it, maintain it, repair it. The changes apply primarily the new equipment being sold and installed in the future. California's long-term goal is reducing emissions from residential appliances. The statewide transition is targeted around 2030, but Bay Area homeowners could see major changes much sooner. Here's the part that surprises many homeowners. The Bay Area Air District adopted rules that move faster than the statewide timeline. Beginning in 2027, the sale and installation of many traditional gas water heaters in Bay Area counties will become heavily restricted under the new emission standards. That means homeowners in places like San Jose, Santa Clara, Fremont, Oakland, and surrounding area may face different replacement options than homeowners elsewhere in California. The important thing to understand is that your current water heater is not affected. The real question is what happens when it finally dies. Most homeowners assume replacing a water heater is simple. Old heater out, new heater in, and done. But under the new rules, many homeowners may need to switch to a heat pump water heater like these guys. Heat pump water heaters are extremely efficient. In many cases, they are 3 to 4 times more efficient than traditional gas models. But the installation can be more complicated and so more expensive. Some homes may need new electrical circuits, additional wiring, panel upgrades, different installation locations, or more space out the unit. For some homes, the transition is straightforward. For others, the electrical work can become a significant part of the project cost. We're not telling every homeowner to run out and replace a working water heater tomorrow, but you should know how old your system is. If your unit is already approaching the end of its lifespan, waiting until it fails could be leave you making a rash decision during a busy season when contractors and equipment are in high demand. That's why many homeowners are starting to plan ahead instead of waiting for an emergency. One reason people are upgrading sooner rather than later is because rebates and incentives are available. Depending on your location and utility provider, heat pumps water heaters may qualify for utility rebates and federal tax credits. Here's the bottom line. If you already have a gas water heater, nobody is forcing you to remove it. But if you are a Bay Area homeowner, the replacement landscape is changing quickly. The worst time to learn about new rules, electrical upgrades, and replacement options is when you're standing in flooded garage with no hot water. A little planning today can save you a lot of stress tomorrow. If you'd like a professional assessment of your current water heater, contact Fuse Service for a free estimate. We will help you understand your options, available rebates, and what makes the most sense for your home.